Have you ever caught yourself wondering if she's subtly hinting at something more, or if you're simply overanalyzing her actions? Often the signs are right in front of us, yet most men miss them. In Stoicism, we learn that while we can't control the actions of others, we can control how we respond. If you've noticed these signs in a woman, she's likely signaling her interest in a deeper connection. However, a true Stoic doesn't rush or chase after validation. He observes with patience, waits for the right moment, and acts with calm, collected confidence. Approaching attraction with this mindset allows you to make decisions with clarity. You're not desperate or needy because you understand the importance of timing and trust the process. By staying composed and letting your natural confidence shine, you create an atmosphere where genuine connection can thrive. Today, we'll dive into 6 undeniable signs that a woman might be interested in sleeping with you, viewed through the lens of Stoic philosophy. By recognizing these subtle signals, you could see attraction in a whole new light. Please like and subscribe so that others will receive this information. Let's get into it, my friends. Sign 1. Flirtatious body language. Flirtatious body language can reveal more than words ever could. When a woman is physically interested, her body often mirrors her attraction before she says anything. Pay attention to how she positions herself around you. If she leans in closer or mirrors your movements, it's a sign she's comfortable in seeking connection. Playing with her hair, touching her face, or adjusting her appearance are subconscious signs of attraction. From a Stoic perspective, observe these cues without getting overly excited or reactive. Instead, respond with confidence and patience. Notice how she positions her legs or feet. If they're directed toward you, it's a subconscious indicator of interest. The goal is to remain grounded and observant, acting when the moment is right, but never rushing into it. Sign 2. Lingering eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most telling nonverbal cues in human interaction. When a woman holds your gaze for longer than usual, it's a signal of deeper physical attraction. According to the Stoic practice of prosouche, attention, being present and observant of the moment is crucial. Imagine you're in a conversation, and instead of looking away, she locks eyes with you, letting the moment linger. This is not accidental. It's her way of inviting you into a shared space of mutual interest. In this situation, a Stoic man maintains calm and controlled confidence. Instead of looking away or overthinking, he stays grounded. Let the eye contact last naturally, reflecting her interest without rushing to conclusions. This lingering gaze is a test of your awareness, a dance of silent attraction, where she's waiting to see if you can reciprocate without needing explicit cues. Sign 3. Intentional touch is a powerful communicator of attraction. When a woman intentionally touches you, it's not just a casual gesture. It's a sign she's comfortable and possibly interested in a deeper connection. The key is to notice the intentionality of her touch. Stoicism, with its focus on mindfulness, encourages us to be acutely aware of such subtle signals. If her touch lingers a moment longer than necessary, or she repeatedly initiates contact, it's a clear sign she's testing the waters. Whether it's a light touch on your arm, a playful tap on your shoulder, or her hand resting on your knee, these gestures indicate she's opening the door for deeper intimacy. A Stoic response isn't to react impulsively, but to calmly recognize and assess the situation. She's looking for you to reciprocate her energy. Stay composed, let the moment flow naturally, and see where it leads. Sign 4. Initiating private conversations. When a woman seeks out moments alone with you, it's a sign she's looking to deepen her connection. In social settings, she might pull you aside, suggest grabbing a coffee, or initiate late-night conversations when there's no one else around. These are intentional moves, signaling her desire for a more intimate bond. In Stoicism, we value self-awareness and clarity. A Stoic man recognizes that when a woman initiates these private moments, she's showing a level of vulnerability, testing to see if you're open to deepening the relationship. It's an invitation to explore your chemistry further. The key here is patience and composure. Respond with calm interest, and you'll create a space for mutual attraction to grow. Sign 5. Flirtatious body language. Flirtatious body language can reveal more than words ever could. When a woman is physically interested, her body often mirrors her attraction before she says anything. Pay attention to how she positions herself around you. If she leans in closer or mirrors your movements, it's a sign she's comfortable and seeking connection. Playing with her hair, touching her face, or adjusting her appearance are subconscious signs of attraction. From a Stoic perspective, observe these cues without getting overly excited or reactive. Instead, respond with confidence and patience. Notice how she positions her legs or feet. If they're directed toward you, it's a subconscious indicator of interest. The goal is to remain grounded and observant, acting when the moment is right, but never rushing into it. Sign 6. Frequent compliments. Compliments, especially those that focus on your appearance or demeanor, are strong indicators of interest. When a woman frequently comments on your looks, smell, or how you carry yourself, she's signaling admiration and possibly attraction. In the Stoic tradition, we're taught not to be swayed by praise or criticism, but this doesn't mean we should ignore the intent behind her words. When she remarks on how you look or how you make her feel, it's her subtle way of expressing deeper interest. Notice if these compliments come in more intimate settings or when it's just the two of you. A Stoic man acknowledges the compliment without letting it inflate his ego, maintaining his grounded presence. Sign 7. Bringing up sexual topics. A clear sign of interest is when a woman introduces sexual topics or innuendos into your conversations. It's a subtle but calculated move, a way for her to test your reaction and see if you're comfortable with such discussions. Stoicism teaches us to remain composed and not to be carried away by our emotions. If she mentions something flirtatious or makes a playful comment with a provocative undertone, it's her way of gauging your response. Rather than reacting impulsively, a Stoic man listens carefully, observes her body language, and responds thoughtfully. It's about showing that you're mature and comfortable with the topic, without rushing into it. If you found value in this breakdown of attraction through the lens of Stoicism, consider subscribing to Stoic Life Hacks for more insights on applying ancient philosophy to modern relationships. Thank you for watching, my friends. I appreciate your valued time and effort in watching my content. I'll see you in the next video.